has, I think, wastegate out the front, or what is that? Oh, parachute and everything? Golly, how much horsepower y'all think that GTR has? Holy cow. Bro, are these all the race cars or something? This is a Honda with a parachute as well. And check out this RX-7, golly. That's clean right there. And then check it out, right here I think we have a Ferrari 360, and then right here we have an Audi R8 that has a really crazy package to it. It has like all these carbon fiber louvers, carbon fiber like little louvers right here, canards, whatever you want to call them. Super crazy looking Rohana wheels. Golly, this is such a nice spec Audi R8. Hey, y'all go ahead and check out this McLaren 600 LT. It has such a pretty blue color, carbon fiber all the way around. It has an MSO badge right there, or basically stitched onto the seats. So I'm guessing this car is basically packed out with little goodies, but it looks so damn good. Check out the wing. I love the exhaust that these cars have, basically coming right above the wing. Looks so crazy. Why Suffer is playing as his plate, I mean, and golly, dude, that's clean, honestly. Like these little louvers as well. It makes this car look so aggressive, and to think that there's an even more crazier version, which is the 675 LT. But yeah, such a clean spec. Man, y'all go ahead and check out this SF90. It's a matte black with the tricolore flag, basically. Looks so damn aggressive. Red leather seats, carbon buckets. Golly, I'm not even sure if y'all... Oh yeah, y'all can definitely see that. Carbon bucket seats, red leather. I mean, he has some basic wheels. I feel like this one definitely needs some aftermarket wheels, but it looks so damn crazy. Espino tire and wheels, what he says on the back glass. Golly, carbon fiber, little wing. Insane looking car. And check out this beauty. We got this Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster in a matte black. I'm not sure if it's an actual factory matte black or what, but it looks so good. Carbon fiber factory door panels, yellow SV, and then the red J. Golly, this thing looks so good. And then he has the yellow cross bracing V12. Golly, I'm pretty sure these guys actually have this car for sale because it's for ABZ Motors, and usually these guys sell cars. So golly, he even has a crazy looking exhaust system. I don't think I've ever heard of the KSG, but I'm pretty sure it's really loud. It looks like titanium tips. Insane. All right guys, so if y'all see this little POV version of, it's gonna be me filming it with the GoPro. It's basically the GoPro on top of the camera. As y'all can see, the camera's right here, but we got a Nissan GTR. I'm basically gonna do a walk around of the car show like this, but we got a GTR right here, an R35. Well, all these are R35s. We got a white one right here, a gray one, another gray one, and then a Mark V Supra on the other side. And right here we got an RX-7 C8 right here, all opened up. And then we have an absolutely insane R35 right here. I wonder how much horsepower this thing is making. Let's check it out. Oh wow, that's a Boost Logic kit. Golly, that's insane. Dang, check this out. I think this is where all the R34s are. We got a white one leaving, we got a gray one coming in, and then on the other side right here we got like a Too Fast Too Furious inspired R34. Looks super nice. This is a GTT right here. I mean, these cars are still really expensive for being just GTTs. Right here we also have, I think this is like a purplish blue one. This looks really nice though, clean interior. Golly. And then carbon fiber wing. Yeah, this is like a purple color. With the sunlight, you can't really see it that good in the shadows, but once you actually get like good sunlight on it, you can see it really damn good. He has like some light bronze wheels. Golly, those look crazy. Man, and right here we have this beautiful classic. I mean, in the front it says San Antonio, Texas, Alamo City. It's a Ford. I think we've seen this car at multiple shows before. This guy let me honk the horn on it one time. Sounds super goofy, but really cool at the same time. Dang, we got all the classics out today. I'm not even sure what this is. I guess this is a Bentley from the B badge that it has, but this thing looks so crazy. And then we got a Humvee right here. Golly, that super light coupe smells straight up like race gas. But that Pro Charger sounds so good. Something I definitely didn't expect to see today is C6 ZR1. Hell yeah, baby. That's America right there. Oh yeah. Damn, dude, and then check out this orange one. Usually I'm not a fan of these orange C6s, but check out all this carbon fiber that it has. Looks insane. God damn. Nice, finally a Lambo that showed up. This is a bright orange one. I don't think I've ever seen this color before. It almost looks like the orange from the Lamborghini Aventadors. Golly, that color is so vibrant. Looks insane. Bro, check that out. I don't know if this is a Ferrari 599 or what. We have an insane Corvette C7 Z06 running on some wild looking wheels. God damn. Check it out. We got the SVJ that just pulled up. God damn, dude. I really want to know what exhaust system that dude has. It is so loud. Dude, check out this GTC4 Lusso or FF. Not even sure what it is, but this thing's, even this thing sounds crazy. Black Huracan, another white one right here. God damn. And check out that orange beauty. It's been a while since we've seen this car. Golly, have I missed it. It's such a nice and beautiful spec. And check out the Super Light Coupe, dude. This thing got opened up right now. Honestly, I don't know where this guy's from because I see him in so many different events. I saw him out in Austin, Round Rock, now San Antonio. This dude really put some miles into this car, but it's fully opened up. It has some like crazy Pagani style doors. And then he has the back opened up almost like a Pagani as well. Looks so damn crazy. Nasty V8, crazy blue shocks. Man, so check out this Ferrari. I think we might have seen this car coming in, or I honestly can't remember, but this is the 575 Maranello. It reminds me a lot of that Bad Boys movie. I think it's Bad Boys 2, where they're basically driving on the bridge, doing that whole shootout, seeing cars flying out of the trailer. Yeah, I think one of these cars or like the different model is in that movie, but yeah, these cars basically sound so insane if you put an exhaust system to them. Right here we have a 570S that has a bright yellow color to it. It looks so nice. And then we have a bright orange Lamborghini Huracan. We got a Porsche right here. Then we got a gray SF90. We have the 600 LT that we saw in the morning. Then we have a black 911 right here. Red audio right up front. This thing looks so good. I don't know if this is the car that we saw out in Austin, but let me see if he has the carbon fiber wheel. I definitely think he is, and sure enough, it is, I think. All right, and right here we have the absolutely insane matte black Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Coupe, and I think this guy has the Gintani system. It sounds so good. Has some really crazy wheels in my opinion. I think he had like the red vinyls of the SVJ, and he changed them out for the black. Looks so good. And then he has the Gintani exhaust system. You can never tell that this is a Gintani exhaust system because of how stock they look, but I mean, they sound insane. Wonder what metal they're actually using. He has the ALA system, carbon fiber, big wing. Dude, I freaking love this car. And then right here we have a McLaren 720S with some insane wheels. They are so damn bright, but check those out. Carbon fiber, insane bright wheels. I wonder if they're like brushed aluminum, polished or whatever, but yeah, it looks so insane. Has the LT wing. Such a big and carbon fiber wing. Looks so crazy. This is gonna be a Ferrari 458, I believe this is. No, 488 Spider. And then we have a Porsche Turbo. I really like this red on it. And then we have MT Paradise Mitch. His crazy Porsche right here. Really love this car. And then we got a blue, I think that's like a GT4 if I'm not mistaken. And then right behind it we have a Ferrari 812. This thing is absolutely insane though. It has some insane wheels. Those are like brushed aluminum on the outside, and then on the Or no, but these are polished on the outside, brushed aluminum on the inside. Looks so good. I think he might have an aftermarket exhaust if I'm not mistaken, because this sounds really good. Then we have like an olive green Porsche turbo. This car looks so good because I think he has carbon fiber pieces that are aftermarket, like this big wing right here. He has a carbon fiber rear diffuser, and then he also has, I think this is carbon fiber right here if I'm not mistaken. Or no, but it's a, or actually this is a Tech Art Porsche. Golly, how did I not know that? Looks so good though. I really like the color. I feel like we never really see colors like this on Porsches. And right here we have a yellow GT3 RS. I don't think I've seen a yellow one before. I've seen a whole bunch of different colors, but yellow, I think this might be the first for me. Y'all let me know how y'all like the yellow on the Porsche GT3 RSs. Dude, we got the Hudson Hornet car here. This is absolutely insane. White wall tires. Golly, and this thing is slammed to the ground as well. It looks so insane. And then right here we have a McLaren 720S. This thing sounded so good though. I think he has an aftermarket exhaust if I'm not mistaken, but it sounds super good like I said. Oh yeah, carbon fiber tips. He has a titanium exhaust, I think I think that's a titanium exhaust. It looks super good. I'm pretty sure it sounds insane. And over here we have all the GTR section. Golly, there is so many GTRs. Oh my god, Mitch is looking at an RB26 over here that looks so insane. Purple R33, I believe this is. God damn. Single jingle turbo. Nismo pieces. God damn. Right here is that C6 Corvette that we saw coming in. This is a Grand Sport with a pretty nice sized Pro Charger right here. Golly, I gotta start looking at how these cars have their Pro Chargers mounted and everything, because I definitely want to get myself a C6. I think a Grand Sport, because Alex was saying that the Grand Sports are more reliable than the Z06s from what I've heard from him. And this car has a really nice blue color too. I think this color is kind of rare on these cars, but it looks really, really nice. Sounds insane. I'm pretty sure these cars, once you get them tuned after getting a Pro Charger, you could definitely shoot some nice flames. Dang, we got a Dodge Viper ACR in an absolutely insane orange color. God damn. Y'all let me know if y'all have ever even seen a color like this before. We got a whole bunch of Huracans. We got a Pantera right here, white Huracan Technica. Oh dang, I think that's the same Dodge Viper that went all the way to the Nürburgring to race it. Golly. Dude, I didn't even notice how friggin' dark the tint is on this Ferrari 360, but I cannot even see inside to the car, dude. That is crazy. It sounds so good though, because I feel like these cars weren't really with much restrictions back then, so they could actually scream. This one I think might have a stock exhaust, and just like that, it sounds so good. Golly, that is such a low and loud hot rod. Check it out. I'll kind of get at their angle. That is so cool though. Looks like there was also a red SF90 that ended up pulling up that has a big gray stripe in the middle, and then we also had a gray Huracan Spider that showed up. Alright guys, so we were going to basically check out all the cars that were leaving the show, but it is getting so backed up. All these cars that you'll see basically right here, they are all the cars trying to leave the show, and there's honestly not really much craziness happening right now, so we're probably going to go hop into the car right now, do a little bit of cruising around through the show, or we might just head out just depending on how packed it actually is. But yeah, we're going to go get in the car real quick, and then after that we're going to see what we do after. Sorry, there's too much traffic. Alright guys, well that'll pretty much do it for this video. It was absolutely insane being able to be with my friend Mitch right here. We were riding in his absolutely insane Porsche. Golly. Yeah, y'all can hear that thing. It sounds insane. Be sure that y'all stick around for the next video because we're going to be doing a rally with my friend here, Mitch. And we're going to be ripping with some insane cars. We're going to be able to hear this car screaming. So yeah, be sure that y'all stick around and I'll see y'all in the next one.